Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina and today we're gonna do the 3 marker challenge. So our materials are my mom's shoes and my shoes and these little Sharpies.
Hi!
This is my mom, Kateria.
Hi!
And today, me and my mom are gonna do the 3 marker challenge. Because like I said, we have my mom's size and my size.
She's gonna be choosing 3 different colors.
This
Black?
one.
That's a good one.
Maybe I can use black. This one? Yellow.
Yellow.
Ooh. I hope I get.
Close your eyes.
Oh, can't see. Pink. What? Maroon?
And now I am going to be choosing 3 colors.
Now close your eyes and look that way.
Blue or like purple?
It's a navy-ish blue. Pick it.
Ooh, it's like a yellowish like my nails.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Just pick it.
Let me pick. Ooh, and turquoise.
Nobody. If you want to know which is my favorite color, then it's turquoise.
I got turquoise and like a yellow neon color and then a purple bluish color. Oh, watch out. And Valentina got
This. I don't know which color is this. Can you help me with this one?
that is like a
Maroon or something? Well, I got yellow and black. Those are like sunflower colors because
but this one is fine point. If you want to pick another one, close your eyes.
This one, green. I can do this. This is gonna be easy because I can use the yellow, but I need to do it a little bit like lighter.
Okay, so now we're going to start. I don't know what I'm gonna draw on my shoes.
What about you think about it?
I'm thinking of
a sunflower.
sunflower.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that would be cute. A lot of sunflowers.
I got sunflower colors. Yay!
I think I'm going to make like spirals and
What about you can
flowers.
make like a color spiral and dots and the sides right here, and you can mix some of the colors, or you can make a blend and a spiral right here.
That would be nice.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see what comes out. So now we're going to get started. I'm thinking of outlining the shoe with the purple or blue.
I think I'm gonna start with the middle. I decided to make some flowers. This is how mine turned out. So this is my final look of my shoes.
These are mine. I decided to also make flowers and some spirals with the colors I got. I really love the colors I got. I think they're my favorite colors. And Valentina got yellow, green, and black, and it was hard. They were hard colors, but she really has a lot of creativity and imagination, and she made some sunflowers, and they look amazing.
I love this challenge. It was so much fun making these 3-marker white shoes into beautiful shoes.
Thank you for watching. Please like and
and
subscribe.